In today's video, I will walk you through how to download PayPal statements on desktop. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the PayPal website. Once the page loads, log into your PayPal account using your account credentials. After logging in successfully, you will arrive at your account summary page. From there, locate the Activity tab and click on it to continue. Inside the Activity section, you will see a detailed overview of your account transactions. This includes payments sent, payments received, and other recent account activity. Next, look for the option labeled Download Statement. Once you find it, click on it to open the statement download settings and reporting options. After selecting Download Statement, several report options should appear on the screen. One of these options will allow you to choose a custom date range for your statement. If you want to view transactions from a specific period, select the Custom option instead of using one of the default date ranges. After selecting the Custom Range option, continue by clicking on the Statements, Monthly, and Custom section. Inside this section, choose the report type and statement format you want to use. Depending on the available options, you may see formats such as PDF or Excel. Once you finish selecting the report settings, the statement matching your selected option should appear on the screen. Review the statement details directly from the page to confirm the information included in the report. If you want to save a copy, continue with the download option to store the statement file on your computer. The process mainly involves accessing the Activity tab, selecting Download Statement, choosing your preferred report settings, and generating the report using the available options. When choosing a custom date range, make sure the selected dates match the transaction period you want included in the statement. Inside the Statements, Monthly, and Custom section, continue selecting the options shown on the screen until the report is generated successfully. Once the statement appears, review the transaction information and continue with the download if needed. After the file finishes downloading, you will have a saved copy of your PayPal statement available on your desktop or in your selected Downloads folder. You can repeat the same process anytime you need to access another statement or generate a report for a different date range. That's all you need to do to download PayPal statements on desktop. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you access and download your PayPal statements successfully.